Starting our hike to Big Beehive up here at Lake Louise. What a nice morning. This begins our journey. I'll have a little video for you so you can check it out. On our way up there. It's pretty beautiful. You can see Lake Louise down below. We have arrived at Mirror Lake. There's the top of where we're headed. There's our parking lot where we started. Sun's coming up.
This was easy.
Can't see the lake right here.
Where even is the lake?
But the mountains are cool, and we're headed up there. And then out the stairs. We made it to Lake Agnes. It's pretty cool. And we gotta go up there. On the switchbacks, heading up. Pretty lake. Nearing the top.
Is it faster that way? No, we were supposed to see Lake Louise. Oh.
I don't see the lake yet. Made it to the hut. Gotta look off the edge.
Mom, look. I just jumped over the.
Oh,
Ew, there's a hole.
yeah. There it is.
Yeah, I wanted a picture. Just wait.
Lake Louise in the parking lot. We made it to the top of Big Beehive. Pretty nice views. We decided to climb Devil's Thumb, which is close to Big Beehive, just because we have lots of time exploring to do, and there's a pretty sweet glacier-fed stream down there. Pretty sweet glaciers all around. This is like the back of Lake Louise. Awesome. The lake's down there. Came from Lake Louise. Still heading for Devil's Thumb. This is just amazing country. The video doesn't do it justice. We're walking on the sweetest trail. It's pretty steep down there, but the trail is solid. In true bird fashion, we're doing something dangerous. Cody's way up there already, and we're going up there. It's steeper than it looks. We came from down there, but check this out. Looks like we're in a different world on top of Devil's Thumb. Made it to the top of Devil's Thumb. Parking lot's way down there. Lake Louise is down there.
Time to put
You
a
can see
rock
some
on the pile.
blueness of it. Wow. And we're way up here. Above the clouds. Some cool glaciers. Some cool cliffs and mountains. It's pretty sketchy. And then down here is Lake Agnes. I gotta get down first though.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I actually got hurt.
Let's see. Will you be okay? Here is Lake Agnes, where we came from. What an adventure.
Did you like a 5?
Oh yeah.
Dude, that is nuts.
Found a mountain goat. Right there. In the clouds. He's kind of socked in.
I think of every word is not a vegetable.
That's pretty cool.
The picture again is
We're getting sucked in. Wow. Another goat video. Look at him.
Oh my goodness, he's insane.
He's just going down the cliff. Oh, to be a mountain goat. Whoa, that was cool. He's coming closer.
Almost to the top.
On our way down from Devil's Thumb. We can't get over these mountain glacier views. It's amazing. Getting down to Lake Agnes. We made it to here. There's a little sign. That way is Lake Agnes. We made it to Devil's Thumb, way up there. That was awesome. Now we're gonna head down this trail. We're still going down to the lake. Riley said it's been a while since I took a video. And I said that's because it's boring. We've just been walking through forest like this. Which isn't actually that boring. I've just been enjoying it. We're going down. Coming out of the trees here. Now we're down in the river valley at the back of Lake Louise. This is cool again.
Are you taking a picture or video?
Pretty cool waterfall.
Yeah.
We're coming down into Lake Louise. We're back there ways. Found our snow. We seem to find snow every month of the year. It's not too hard when you live in Alberta.
Oh, there's a lake there.
We might as well just go to the lake.
This is pretty sweet. Here's the glacier. water, glacier fed stream. It's white, silty water. And right over here, I'll take you to see. There's the reed. The Glacier Plain. We got our goats hanging out up there. And the lake is very close. And we just have to walk all the way around the lake back to the parking lot.
Can I touch him?
Yeah, if he lets you.
Will he bite me?
No, he's just trying to take your food. Jenny once slid down this hill in the snow and hurt herself. So she's decided to go climb it again. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it too. Made it to the cave. Waterfall. It's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous.
Yeah, just gorgeous.
We're on the path, almost back. It's pretty gorgeous though. Cool blue water. Made it back. Here's the lake. We went clear up to Big Beehive over there. Then we went to Devil's Thumb, then we went clear back in the canyon along the lake, and here we are, finished.